Greetings to you all. Welcome to class 9 and 10. Picture composition. How are you all?
I'm fine. So you are all fine. Today we are going to do picture composition. What are we going to study? Picture composition. Picture composition. It carries 5 marks. Okay? For 9th standard and 10th standard, it carries 5 marks. So don't miss it. Very easy, very simple, and you can easily grab the mark. Don't miss it. So I'll just tell you how to do it. In fact, in question paper, they will give you one picture. For example, you are given one picture. Imagine here there is a picture. Fine. So imagine this is coming for your examination. By seeing this picture, you are going to write a paragraph. What are you going to write? Paragraph. By seeing this picture, you should write a paragraph. So you may feel difficult, customer. Okay, difficult. So you will feel a little difficult. If it is Tamil, you will write. I see one deer, one tree, one girl, one tree, grass, everything you will write. But when it comes to English la or paragraph. Picture. So you will feel a little hesitant. Customer feeling. So don't need not worry. In exam, whatever question comes, in the picture some lines, some words will fit for everything. Do you understand? In the padam sila sentences match. Understand? What will be equal? In the sentence this is a tiger. I like it. In the picture, I like it. Clear? So we are going to see that first. Then we'll come to picture. Fine, children. So picture composition carries 5 marks. This picture is about dash. Okay. For example, if I show you this picture, what is this? Tiger. I didn't tell. So when you see the picture, anybody, even a small child can understand this picture is tiger. So this picture is about tiger. This is a puli, tiger. One mark. Easy or not? Yes. This spelling you know. Picture is given upper. Is a tiger. Okay. Done. Second one. This picture is meaningful. Meaningful is a big word. Don't think like that. In short, I teach you. What is the spelling of me? M-E. Okay. M-E-Me. And? A-N. What is the spelling of and? A-N. So M-E-A-N-I-N-G. F-U-N. Now easy? Big word. M-E-A-N-I-N-G. Meaningful. So this picture is meaningful. Any picture it may be. Let it be this picture, let it be this picture, or for any picture you can write these sentences. It will sync, it will match. Next one. It is thought-provoking. Thought-provoking. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought-provoking. O. King. Okay, easy only. If you study again and again, it will come. It is thought-provoking. Next one. It contains many ideas. So when I give you one picture, you can tell this picture contains many ideas. Even how to keep the house clean, or let it be anything, no, any picture for that matter. It contains many ideas. Got it? Purida? Fine. I like this picture. Easy only, no? I like, L-I-K-E, like. This picture is there. I like this picture. 1 mark. Alright. Next one. It is very natural. Natural means natural. So it is very natural. N-A-T-U-R-A-L. It is very natural. It is nice. It is cute. Even you can write split also. It is nice in one line. Second line. It is cute. It is beautiful. It is wonderful. It is good. It is superb. It is excellent. Anything you can write. But remember one thing. If you see any sad images like tsunami, earthquake, flood, edavadhu sogamana picture, crying, something like sad, can you write nice and all other things? Edlama? No. The flood irukku, thanni or storm or something like sad woman picture irukku, somebody is crying, adula ella can you write nice, beautiful, cute and all? Don't write. Okay. This one picture is equal to 100 words. One picture is equal to 100 words. ஒரு படம் 100 வார்த்தைக்கு சமம். For example, you are writing a paragraph on this. There is a room, there is a house, that, this and all. 100 words you are telling. Instead of that, which is powerful? One picture. Do you understand? ஒரு படம் போதும். 100 words is பதிலா. One picture is equal to 100 words. 100 வார்த்தைக்கு சமம் ஒரு படம். Like that, okay? So this picture is equal to 100 words. It is black and white. Normally, in question paper, they give you black and white. Understand? So you can write it is black and white. BLACK, black. A in the end. WHITE. Got it, all of you? Fine, children. Next one. It is good. Wonderful. These both are same only. Understand? Okay. So, but for good pictures you can use. If it is sad picture, if there is any tragedy, if there is some sorrow, kashtamana, dukkamana irundhunaaka, don't use these words. Next one. It speaks more. Nariya solludhu. It speaks more. Nariya solludhu. Like that. Next one. It is inspiring. Inspiring naaka manasula nariya aadama kaamikudhu. Can you understand? It is inspiring. It is motivating. Like that. Alright. Actually it carries 5 marks. You can write some 7 or 8 lines. That is enough. If you write more also, good only. You can write on your own also. We welcome you. Fine, children. There are dash. So you can tell whenever there is plural. Plural naga panmai. Nariya. There are 5 trees in the picture. There are 3 animals in the picture. There are. When you tell are, it means more. Nariya per. There are 3 girls in the picture. There are 5 books in the picture. Anna mari solikalam. Whereas only one is there. Onnu da irukudunaka what you can tell? There is only one bird in the picture. There is only one table in the picture. There is only one animal in the picture. Do you follow purida? There is only one flower vase in the picture. There is one door in the picture. So it will synchronize. So whatever you do, you see the picture correctly and you can write. There is one chair in the picture. There is one window in the picture. When there is 2 windows means you can tell there are 2 windows in the picture. Got it? Fine, children. I see a dash in the picture. I see a living room in the picture. I see a cat in the picture. I see a dog in the picture. I see a teacher in the picture. So for whatever it may be, what you see in the picture, you can write. Mudiyuma mudiyada? Mudiyum. Simple only, no? Fine. There is a, for example, this is a cat. Okay? For example, you see a cat in the picture. Who is this? Cat. Cat in the picture. For example, you see one. What is this? Tree. Okay, I see a tree in the picture. So imagine you see some other thing. One fish is there. What is this? Fish. Okay, I see fish in the picture. Last you can write there is a fish in the picture. Same manner, this picture is about cat or tree or star or fish or whatever it may be. So you must have some presence of mind. Don't just vomit whatever you want. அப்படியே எழுதக்கூடாது. Have some presence of mind and on the time when you see the picture you can write. Now I will show you some pictures. You can tell the answer. Okay? Okay. This is the given picture. What do you see? What the picture is see? Okay. What you should tell? There is a butterfly in the picture. Then there is a no. There is a flower in the picture. Then fine. I will see. What is this? What do you see here? There is a girl in the picture. Then there is a chick in the picture. Then there is a broken eggshell in the picture. There is a hand in the picture. Fine. Here there is a okay. By using this one, by using this book, answer. Fine, children. This picture is about. Okay, it is your choice. Some of you told butterfly. Okay. Some of you told flower. Okay. Some of you told buds. Okay. Good. No problem. First point. Ready. Second one. This picture is
meaningful.
Good. Third one.
It is not
okay. Next. Okay.
I like this picture.
Okay.
It is very natural.
It is very natural. And then.
It is nice.
It is cute. Don't write comma no. It is nice. One line. Second line. It is cute. Okay. Next one.
One picture is equal to 100 words.
So one picture is equal to 100 words. Next one. It is. Yes. Exam point of view I wrote black and white. But here you can tell it is colorful. It is colorful. Okay. Next one. It is.
It is good. It is wonderful.
Okay.
It is small. It is inspiring.
It is inspiring. Okay, moving on here. There are. Here you can write yes because only one flower is there, no? So there is. There is one butterfly in the picture. There is
one flower in the picture.
Like that you can write. So it will come more words. I see a bird in the butterfly in the picture. Something like that you can tell. Okay, there is a dash in the picture. Based on this picture, you are going to tell the answer. So imagine in that page, these many people are there. Who are there? One leopard is there, another one leopard is there, one lion is there. Sorry. I was just checking whether you are listening or not. Okay. What is this? Lion. Lion? Very good. I know. Okay. Now tell me the answer.
This picture is about animals.
You can tell this picture is about animals.
Animals.
Okay. This picture is about animals. No problem. You can write leopard also, tiger also, elephant also. You will get mark. Nothing to worry. Okay, next step.
This picture is meaningful.
Okay.
It is not boring.
Okay.
It contains many ideas. I like this picture. It is very natural. It is nice. It is cute. One picture is equal to 100 words.
Okay.
This picture is colorful.
Yes, it is colorful. And then
It is good. It is wonderful. It is small. It is inspiring.
okay, there are two leopards in the picture. There is one elephant in the picture. Got it? Single means yes. Many means are. Okay. I see an elephant in the picture, or I see two leopards in the picture. Fine. Next one. There is an elephant in the picture. Fine, children? Did you all understand? So, for any picture, actually this is not the right method, but for scoring marks, this will help you. For any picture for that matter, you can get mark. Thank you. And it carries 5 mark. Okay, how much mark? 5 mark. So it is very easy to get the mark. Very easy, simple. No need to miss the mark. Vidama super edutullam. Okay, so I will show you some more pictures for you. Animals. Fine. Birds. Elephant. Big personalities. Abdul Kalam, Kamarajar, and and all other things are there. Fine. So now today for our exercise, we will take this picture. Fine. Imagine this picture is coming for your exam. How are we going to express? Okay. Minimum 10 sentences you write. Then only you can take full mark. Okay. It doesn't mean 10 sentences you should write. You have to think on your own and you can write more. So first of all, this picture is about. Okay. So what do you see in this picture? A boy enjoying in the rain. One boy enjoying the rain. Jolly. So this picture is about rain. Something you can write. Next one. This picture is meaningful. Okay. So meaningful is a big word. How can we learn fast? Me. What is the spelling? Me. What is spelling of me? Me. And A and though is there no. So me and. Easy now. Me, me, A and ing. Ing you know. Walking, playing, talking, running, jumping. Ing. Me, A and ing. F-U-L. Easy, you know? Okay, so this picture is about cat or rat or boy or girl. This picture is meaningful. Understood? So you will get 2 marks. It is thought-provoking. All these sentences, it will suit for any picture. Okay, this picture also it will suit. This picture also it will suit. This picture also it will suit. It will adjust. In the pictures go in the sentence on the match. That is the reason. Okay, fine. This, it contains many ideas. It contains many ideas. For example, we should conserve rain, save water. All these things are idea. It is our own thing only. Listen. Okay. I like this picture. Do you like this picture? Picture ka? Okay. So I like this picture. I spelling you know like this picture. Picture spelling, don't worry, it will be in your question paper. Fine. It is very natural. Very natural. Fine. Okay, next one. It is nice. Nice spelling is easy. N-I-C-E. Nice. One picture is equal to 100 words. So one picture. So one picture is equal to 100 words. You can describe rain in 100 words. Rain is that, this, everything. So the 100 word speaks one picture. Do you understand? So one picture is equal to 100 words. 100 வார்த்தையில சொல்ல வேண்டிய விஷயம் ஒரு picture காமிக்குது. That's what. It is black and white. Though it is colorful here, in exam it will be black and white. So easily B-L-A-C-K black, A-N-D and W-H-I-T-E black and white. It is wonderful, cute, beautiful. Anything you can write. Remember one thing. In case, if this picture is a tragedy picture, like tsunami, earthquake, fire accident, some flood or storm, ஏதாவது சோகமான picture is there means சோகமான தண்ணியில போறது or something like that, then we should not write nice. We should not write beautiful, wonderful, cute. Do you understand? We should not write beautiful, nice, cute and all. Because it is not beautiful. They are really tragedy. Next one, it speaks more. It means one picture speaks more. Nariya solli kudukudhu. Fine. It is inspiring. Inspiring na thoondukol. Nariya thoondukol irukudhu. It is inspiring. There is dash in the picture. There is tree in the picture. Appa the pictures what is there? Picture la enna irukudhu? That one you can write. Fine. So there is there is onnu irundadunaka yes. There are dash in the pictures. There are watches in the picture. So many means. Nariya irukudhu. It means what you can for example, there are glasses in the picture. There are many things. Flowers in the picture. Like okay. Here if you imagine this is a picture. There are animals in the picture. Do you follow me? Many animals are there. Is means one. R means many. There is means one. Okay. Next one. I see dash in the picture. What do you see in the picture? I see a boy in the picture. I see tiger in the picture. I see water in the picture. Anything like that. I see a girl in the picture. I see a hen in the picture. Like that you should write. So it's very easy only. One thing you should understand. Do not write these words. Nice, wonderful, cute, beautiful. All the other things for tragedy things. Sohamana padam vandadunaka. Something touching, moving. The manasa todra mari kashtamana padam vandadunaka. The nice, good, I like it. Don't. Clear all of you?